how to link and connect your Stack Overflow account with your Upwork profile on PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is so simple. Go to Upwork. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Click here on your profile picture, click on settings, and it will take you directly to this page. Click on profile settings. Now here all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find linked accounts, and here is the Stack Overflow. Click on it, and then all what you have to do is just connect your account from here. I'm gonna keep logging with this account just to show you. Now here all what you have to do is click on create. I'm just click approve. It will take you here, and I just linked it successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.